So what's up guys, this is Monch and welcome to my vlog. So ngayon, ang gagawin natin is mag-unboxing tayo at maglalagay tayo ng display ng Samsung QLED Q80. Tingnan natin to guys. Guys, makikita nyo naman, napakaganda naman yung TV na yan. Yung mga connections nya, HDMI and then optical USB. Yan po guys lahat. Yan yun, lalagay kami ng wall bracket. Now with my friend Colleen, what can you say bro? Nothing?
I cannot say anything because I'm busy.
What busy?
Busy as a bee.
This guy is my buddy here in Imox, Salgora.
Yeah, born and raised in Africa.
Really, nigga?
Now living in Dubai.
So, ayun guys, ito yung manual niya. Tapos yung remote niya is the slim type na, pang smart na. Para sa antenna connection and battery. Then yung power cable, nakabit na natin. Ayun guys. This is a work by Africa. Tamang sukat.
Africa, Black Mamba. I've never seen something very, very perfect.
Wow! Oh my god!
So ngayon guys, yan na. Sineset up na ni Colin yung TV. Sakto, bagay na bagay nakalagay. Ganyan naman. Q80! This is 2020 model.
Paano masabi?
guys, ito yung sa stand niya. Metallic na to, steel. Ayan. Tapos ito na, kung makikita nyo, napakalinaw niya. Ayan siya guys. 55Q80.